In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few shortcuts that you could use to easily navigate in Microsoft Excel, either in a sample of data or in a worksheet, between menus or between the worksheets of a workbook. So first, I'm going to start with navigating between menus. If I go to whatever menu from here, I'm going to go to page layout, and then I use my mouse wheel or my touchpad. In my case, I have a touchpad, I'm going to use it, and I scroll up or down. You can see how I'm able to navigate between the menus easily and using my mousepad. The second shortcut, it is Control and Page Up or Control and Page Down. We can use these to navigate between worksheets. So you can see over here I'm on sheet 5. If I press Control and Page Up, you can see that I've been moved to sheet number 4. If I press Control and Page Down 2 times, I'm being moved to sheet number 6, and so on. I can use these two shortcuts to easily navigate between my worksheets. And the last shortcuts are related to navigating within a sample of data or navigating within a workbook. In a sample of data, we can use Control and arrows to navigate to the right, to the bottom, to the left, and to the top. So I'm able to do this by pressing Control and the right arrow, Control and the down arrow, Control and the left arrow, and Control and the up arrow. And if I go anywhere within the workbook and I press the same shortcuts, I will go to the top, to the bottom, to the left, and to the right of the workbook, as you can see right now. If at some point, for example, I'm pressing Control and down and I have some data somewhere, Microsoft Excel will move my my cursor, my pointer to that data. You can see if I press Control and right, I'm being moved to my sample data. If I press Control and right again, I'm being moved to the end of my sample data, and if I press it again, I'm being moved at the end of the worksheet. And the last shortcut that I wanted to show you is how to select your whole data from a sample of data. So I have some random data over here. I can use Control and A, and with that I'm able to select all the data set from here and only that. And if I do the same thing on an empty cell and I press Control and A, I will select the whole worksheet, the whole data in the worksheet. That's it for this video. I hope that these shortcuts will be useful to you. If you learned something new, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to check out the playlist in the description, where I have more videos just like this one covering a range of topics in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.